Adams Parks. We can do something with these. Let's have some fun. Zebra wood, live oak. Can never go wrong with live oak. Red gum, Australian wood. This is palm, annoying stuff. And then this is this. Perfect. Yeah. So those are going to go on there and glue them on. About that long and about that wide. Put them on something like that. Kind of like that. Just like that. And now, for the main event, homemade boiled linseed oil. Live oak. Yeah, that's pretty. I like that one. Oh, that's nice. And let's do the palm. Kind of a nice understated look on that. So there you have it. These bottle openers were sent to me by a fan of the channel, and I'm going to send one back to him. It was kind of a fun little thing to do. And if you want to see more, I'll leave a link to his Instagram page down below. But yeah, a really simple, fun project. If you do blacksmithing, these are relatively easy and quick to make, and they're a lot of fun to have just, try something different. Especially if you have a bunch of little scraps in the shop that are just too nice to get rid of. Well, you could do something like that. And I really like how these came out. They both have their own style and look to them, and I I'm really, really pleased with them. So yeah, I hope you like this. Really simple, quick little project, and a lot of fun to have in the shop. If you do have any questions, thoughts, ideas, comments, throw those down below. I do read through all of them, and I answer as many as I can get. I learn a lot of things from that. Someone's like, oh, have you ever seen this? Yeah, no, I've never. Let me know. Those are the great things I like to see down below. So thank you for that. If you would like to help out one step more, you could become a patron on Patreon. Everyone's scrolling over on the side. They are the ones quite literally keeping this channel going. Without patrons or members who click the little join button down below, this channel wouldn't exist. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about that, you can find a link to Patreon in the description down below, or click the little join button and become a member here on YouTube. Honestly, we don't do sponsors here. We are completely sponsored by you, the viewer. I know that's a little bit odd for YouTube, but I like it that way, and it allows me to have a better contact with you guys. So thank you for that. We do have special perks for both members and patrons. If you'd like to find out that, well, you know what to do. I think I'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Bottle openers. They're great for those times when your teeth just aren't that good.